2000 Focus P1223. Common cause, fuel pump. And the scope with the amp clamp on the fuse of the fuel pump. Might help if I hit record, right? 16 amps. Floater fuse. It's trying to. I've already disconnected the fuel pump module and hardwired pump directly. Did the same test, same ampage being drawn without module in play. We're going to check the filter, but more than likely we're going to need a fuel pump. Yes, Wave's little contraption here made it easy for me to bypass the fuel pump module and eliminate it from being the draw. And we had the thermal imager out. Checking our relay was definitely not liking things. It was not a happy camper. I don't know if it'll still show after shutting a while. I'll take a quick look with the thermal imager. When I'm checking out, oh yeah, she's smoking. It's not a happy camper. And back here we're pretty much getting the same thing. At the pigtail going into the module. It's getting awful warm till not burning hot, but 100 degrees. And it's fairly cool in here. We're definitely pulling some current on that wire, as it shows 18 amps on a 15 amp circuit.